Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to perform the streaming response in OpenAI API. I'll be showing this for both Python as well as Node.js, so make sure that you're having Python and Node.js installed on your system. So let's get started. For this, just Google OpenAI API. We'll be having the first link, API platform. Select this and make sure that you're signing in and click on API platform. Here you are having API docs, right? Click it, and here to the left, if you scroll down, we'll be having streaming under run and scale. So just click on streaming, and here we are having the code. I will just go with JavaScript first, so I'll simply copy it and go here and paste it. So exactly the same code, we can pass the input parameters for our model. The only difference is here we are having stream as true, and the way we are getting the data is different. So we are getting this in this variable and we are just looping it and like consoling it. So let me just add my API key now. Click on new key, give it a name and create it. So just have it as API key here and paste it. So if you want to know how to buy API key credits, you can just click on the card that is appearing on top. After we are done with this, make sure that you replace the code with this one. Okay, so this is the existing code and I want you to like replace it with this one. So we're having the same thing, just we are checking the event type and we are using this stdout.write. Okay, so I'll just remove this one. You can just pause the video and type it out. Now rather than this prompt, I will just have 50 line poem. That's it, and I'll have it as GPT-4o. Okay, so now let's run this. It's going to be node space new.js. So now we will be getting the response instantly and line by line. Okay, so just see the console now. As you can see here, how fast we are getting the response, and as soon as the model generates, we will be instantly seeing the words appearing over here rather than waiting for the entire response. So this is how you do it in JavaScript. And now let's see for Python. Change the language to Python. Similar code here also. I'll just copy this and paste it. So here also we need to pass our API key. So I'll just copy it from here. So in Python, rather than having this, I'll just go with this code. Yeah, you can just pass it and type it out. Just similar thing that we did earlier. And we can just import sys. Yep, it's fine. And terminal, new terminal, and everything is going to be the same. Maybe I can simply like change this also. Give me a 50 line poem and GPT-5, let it be GPT-5. So to run this, it's going to be Python your filename.py and hit enter, and we have got the response as a stream like this, as you see that, right? Yep, that's how you do it, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Learn a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.